Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to download Dropoff application on your iPhone. In order to download the Dropoff application on iPhone is a quick and a straightforward process, so let's go ahead and jump into the video. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Next, open your App Store and in the search box type in Dropoff and search. Look for this Dropoff career application and tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your device. Dropoff is the same way delivery solution that offers a mobile app for both careers and clients. The career application is this one over here. Simply tap on the Get button to start downloading the app and make sure to install it on your preferred device. So that is how you can easily download the Dropoff application on your iPhone in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.